I didn't find any video in which I can find my solution that I want to upload one of my image in Canva without sacrificing any change or any dimension. Just I want to upload one of my image with its original dimension and I want to edit then using Canva editor. How can I do this? And I researched a lot, but I didn't find any video or any solutions anywhere in internet. But finally, I found a way, and I'm telling you the way how I did this. It's very simple. You can do it right away. So to do this, to upload any of image in Canva with its original dimension, you just need to go to Canva's homepage or Canva's dashboard. This is your dashboard of Canva, and just you need to drag the image in the Canva's homepage. So once you drag the image in Canva's homepage, you need to click upload here and you find the image which I uploaded right away. So click here, and now this is the original dimension of the image. And if I want to keep the original image same without sacrificing dimension, and I want to change anything like color or adding any text and fit it with the canvas original canvas, then I need to click create design and see the images with its original dimension, and I can now text anything, I can now add anything or change anything in Canva interface. So this is a very great solution. You can do it, test it out. Thank you so much for watching this video.